just go up with it?
What are you doing, huh?
Oh, well, I was just right there. Oh, yeah.
Swing that thing down. What are you doing, bud?
Hey, you know, just under here. Yeah, I'm just changing springs, bud. So, oh, gotta get off my knees. They're hurting too bad.
You gonna sit where you sit best?
Yep, on my butt. Just not on the floor. I normally don't do that, but sometimes you just gotta do what you do best.
So, what's today?
Today is obviously the day to show how weak I am and how out of shape I am, because I'm out of breath just getting this off. Today is Tuesday. We're trying to change these springs out with the springs that we got from Hyperco. Got a couple little bit more things to do. We already got the fronts changed. Gotta set the toe on it, change the transmission fluid and the engine oil, and make sure our ride heights and everything else are good, and be good to go for Saturday if we get to go. Apparently it's like 91% chance of rain Thursday.
Friday.
Huh?
Friday.
They changed it from Thursday to Friday?
Yep.
91% chance Friday, and I think it's still at 55% chance for Saturday, so hopefully we get to go and practice. We didn't get to practice last weekend because of the rain, so yeah, hope we get to go. It's been long enough, so I think we're gonna finish up changing these springs for the night, and then come out here tomorrow and do some fluid changes and do a yoke change. And oh yeah, we gotta do a yoke change. I didn't say that, did I? Nope.
Nope. 2 seasons on transmission yoke is
About all it needs.
About a season too many.
Yep. So change that out. Got it from Fast Shafts, so I guess we'll see how we get it done. We got 3 days left to finish up the car, so it shouldn't be that bad. We should have it done by Thursday, so should have it done about 2. So anyways, I think it's about all we got left. Yeah, so I guess we'll see y'all later in the video. I'm gonna sit here and make a fool out of myself and get sprung for the new season.
Goodness. We'll see y'all tomorrow. So what time is it, Hunter?
It is 2:32. Practice started at 2, gates opened at 1, and we're just now leaving. A full 4 or 5 months to get this car ready, and we're still late. Still late. So we are headed to Mountain View for the first practice of this season. We are excited to finally get to shake the car down. That'll work. We're happy to get the car up here and shake it down. Got a couple of new things we want to try. We're going to try them out tonight. See how it goes. Knock the rust off the car and the driver. And see if we can't bust off a fast pass.
And sorry for the shaky. We're in a different truck than we had last year. And
yeah.
These Dodges just don't ride like a GMC does. So that's all I'm going to say about that.
So anyways,
we're down a few. Sasha's at home with Kylie, which is my daughter. She had her tonsils out yesterday, so our other youngin' Kara is there too. So it will just be me and Hunter, and I think Mom and Dad maybe my niece is coming, but that's it for practice. So we might not have a whole lot of video, and if we do, it's just going to be a bunch of in-car stuff. But we'll try to put together the best video we can for y'all.
Yep. And then next week, we'll give you a little bit more footage, because I think we're going to go next week and test some more. Haven't really decided on that yet. Depends on how the night goes. But we already, just loading the car, already found a few things we've got to go back and fix, but nothing that's going to affect us for practice. So yeah, so we're going to pull in here and get unloaded and get the car teched in and make sure we're good on weight, and get out there and run some laps. So we'll see y'all later in the video.
Look at that sticking out on your chin there.
The off ramp on 153.
You can wipe your nose with it.
You can shut up. Guys, well, this is what happens. That's it right there.
We're just going to say the 2 seasons I put on it is too many. Change your drive shaft every year.
Yep. Broke drive shaft. Made a couple good laps. The changes we made helped, but not enough laps to be able to tell if it made that big of a difference. So order another drive shaft and get another yoke, and we'll go at it next week and see if we can't come back out here and make more adjustments and see how it goes.